But just to our north, these showers are moving from Scott, Campbell into Union and Claiborne counties, and they're kind of moving east and then just a little bit south of due east. Let me show you a little bit wider perspective. And this is ahead of a cold front, which did produce some isolated storms in northwest Tennessee. Had some hail with that earlier. I'm not expecting that here as it moves through. Some showers and rumbles of thunder. Yes, a severe threat's looking lower and lower as we go over the next several hours. Now, as we go from where we are now into early tomorrow morning, we will see a few showers and storms, maybe some downpours. Can't rule out some gusty winds, but I really think the severe threat is going to be on the lower side. But notice at 7 a.m. there are still a few showers around. I think that opportunity is going to probably last till about mid-morning, so between 9 and 10 a.m. before things start to quiet down. But here's the biggest difference. We were mid to upper 30s this morning. Tomorrow morning, mid to upper 50s, so a full 20 degrees plus warmer starting out. So it doesn't take much to get us to near 70 by the time we head into the afternoon. It will stay mainly cloudy, but just not a huge warm up as we go into the afternoon. Let's talk about rain chances later in the week. I still think the majority of tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night will be dry, and really the majority of Thursday. Very limited rain chances here, but they will go back up later Thursday into Friday, and Friday night looks to be the best opportunity for rain. These opportunities continue to go up, and some of it could be heavy. In fact, as we go late Thursday into Friday, the initial warm front moving across the area could produce some isolated heavier rainfall, and then through the day Friday into early Saturday morning, we're still seeing that opportunity. So a couple of days where we get to see some steadier, heavier rain. Let's take a look. This is that warm front initially overnight Thursday into Friday. We see a little bit of a lull in the activity during the daytime. This is 3 p.m., but then showers and some storms return. Could be some wet games for area high school football. Better bet, though, is going to be overnight. Look at this from 11 o'clock into early Saturday morning, the threat for some locally heavy rainfall, and then that will slide south and east as we go a little bit later in the day on Saturday till we get there. It's going to stay quite mild with temperatures close to 70 degrees for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And even as we head into the weekend, maybe it's a little closer to average on Sunday, not by much. But I will say of the 2 days this weekend, Sunday is going to be better than Saturday for outdoor plans. Temperatures staying mild right through Tuesday of next week.